Hey folks, how you doing? It is 2nd December. Vlogmas continues. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, basically throughout the month of December I'm going to do a quick update. And again, just like yesterday, it's a quick lunch ride to try out my all new gravel bike. Just a quick whiz around, 20 minutes. 20 minutes is not long, is it? And as I've mentioned before on the channel, it's kind of the reasons why I wanted to get a job working somewhere else, because half an hour for lunch, it's not a great deal, is it? Can't do anything. I like to break up the day, go out and have a bit of fun, even if it's you know, if I'm not with my bike, just an hour walk somewhere, a bit of exercise, time away from the screen. As you see, I'm in a bit of a thicker coat today, because yesterday afternoon it was a little bit on the cold side. And today, it's still on the cold side, and I was going to say the sun is out, but it's gone back in hiding again. Hope it comes out in time for the weekend. Just tomorrow and Sunday, hoping to go out for a couple of bike rides, test this bike out properly. Also this afternoon, I'm going to go for another quick ride as well. You'll see that coming up. Got a parcel to pick up from the Amazon hub. I've gone and bought one of those, I never even know what to call them. It goes in a bottle cage and you put all your tools inside it. Right next to the Ninja pouch cage. Oh, and to address a question down in the comments, yes, I will be going tubeless on this bike, all in good time. Ooh, bit bumpy. It's probably a little bit too much air in these tyres, to be fair. Tell you what I've learnt so far today. Saddle was still a little bit too high. I feel my back stretching up a little bit. And you know, you feel like you can't get a complete pedal stroke in. It's a bit like that. So yeah, I'm going to tweak it when I get back before I go out for a second ride. Anyway, I'm just about to go down this track which leads onto the A161, dart left back into Kroll, back to work. So I'll see you when I finish. That's it, I'm about to head out again, go and pick this parcel up. So I could just go down the A161, but I've been eyeing up an off-road section for months now before I've had the bike. I'm going to head out and find out if it is indeed rideable at all on any kind of bike. Okay. So it's 4 kilometres along this bit of off-road, and hopefully I can get across. I'm not entirely sure. I can see people walking, that's probably where I'm going to go. Interesting bridge here. I know there used to be a railway line around here. I'm guessing that's just what's left of it. So apparently it's this way. I can see a gate already. But there's a sign here saying go right, so we're going to go right, see where I end up. I've already determined my gears need indexing. Can't go down very far in the cassette. This is the wrong side of gravel. I guess it's welcome to gravel ride in the UK. Got to find my feet. So this is the M180 on my right. There's a bridge going over the top. You got to know. You got to know. Yeah, some of this is a bit much, I think. The joys of gravel ride in the UK. Finding places to ride a gravel bike which aren't well established cycle lanes. Oh man. Right. Can I even clip in? Yep, straight in. So I love about SPDs. Right, this is going to lead me into the other end of Belton, and also need to get myself some mud guards on. Anybody got any recommendations for mud guards for the 45mm tyre width? Okay, I'm making this look like hard work, but it's dead easy after a bit of practice. Just having a bit more just have a bit of confidence in the tyre width. Okay, they're not mountain bike tyres, but you know, they're not narrow. I can still feel myself sliding. I'm guessing a mountain bike could really just pile all the way through there. I'll be toppling straight over on my backside. There we go. A cutie one, it's a muck off. Tell you what, it won't take long to get muck on. There we go. Awesome. So the idea is that I'll go straight into there on a different day where it's not covered in mud. Put it on there for now. Oh, that looks awesome. So just coming into Wetworth, I saw something that might be a little bit more appealing to me and this bike. See where this brings me out. And I have seen people walking up there before, but don't know where this comes out, so let's find out. Tarmac, tarmac, tarmac. Cemetery and a dog. Oh yeah. Oh, hello. Hey Kev, you alright? How you doing? Yeah, good, thanks yourself. Well, that was different. I could have ridden through there, it's not a problem. Now I know where it comes out of. But I bumped into Kevin Dawson. He manages the local bike shop in Epworth. So we just got talking about Pan Celtic, Dirty Reaver, epic bike rides and things. I was going to tell you, anyway, I am going to have a go at the PCR Pan Celtic race. PCR starts in Brittany, France, and you do full circuit of Brittany, catch the ferry across back into the UK, I think it's Portsmouth, and then you follow kind of a straight line to Llandudno in Wales. You follow the Offa's Dyke, which I guess is like the equivalent to Hadrian's Wars, divided England and Scotland. Yeah, that particular race is something like 1400 miles, which is 2.2 kilometres, I think. Well, you know what I mean, 2,200 kilometres. A few things to do on the bike then. Index in gears, change my saddle, I'm going to put my charged saddle on, and reduce the saddle height as well, just a touch, because it's a little bit too high. Oh, knob. Right, I'm going to leave this video here because it's going to get dark pretty soon. You won't be able to see my pretty face. Right, I'll see you again tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Comments, questions down below. See you later. Bye.